If you watched my previous video where I used the Olia hair dye, if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I jacked my hair up. My hair got serious color damage. It was stringy, it was limp, it was ugly, and I didn't want to transition and fix it with apogee and all of that crap. I just wanted to let that color go. So I ended up cutting about 4 to 6 inches. After this video, I even went in and cut some more. So the point of this cut is basically just to get rid of the color. So that's what I'm doing. At first, I was very conservative and I was like, okay, just cut a little. And towards the end, I just cut big chunks. I was just over it. I wasn't trying to preserve length. I was just trying to get rid of the color. I don't care how light or how dark. It wasn't my natural black color. I tried to get rid of it as much as possible. So that was the goal in doing this video. So yeah, I mean, I really don't have much to say. I know a lot of you will be disappointed. A lot of you voiced your disappointment with my hair and what I did to it. But honestly, its hair is going to grow back. My hair always grows back. I've grown my hair to mid-back length multiple times throughout my journey. So I'm not worried about it. I mean, I've had heat damage. If you didn't know that, I did. I overcame that. You can check out my playlist about my heat damage. So I've gone through a lot with my hair. So I'm just going to take this opportunity as a do-over. Time to start over from scratch. Do what works for me. I'm not touching that color stuff ever again. I'm just going to work with my natural hair as it is. I've spent my journey trying to make my hair do what it doesn't want to do. So this time I'm going to do what I need to do. So yeah, I'm just cutting. So I guess I'm doing a kind of diva cut in some regards. I'm cutting curl by curl for the most part. I mean, at some points I did get impatient and I just started cutting chunks, but by and large, I was doing curl by curl, but trying to keep it as even as possible. And I think I did a really good job. I got a pretty good shape, as you'll see in the end. So yeah, I just keep cutting. Get it? Get it? Get it? Yeah. And don't worry, y'all. It's gonna grow back. The hair is gonna grow back. It just is. I know a lot of y'all saw my hair thriving because of rice water and my Ayurvedic treatments, but I'm going to keep incorporating those things into my hair regimen. And before you know it, my hair is going to be 6 inches longer, 10 inches longer, 12 inches longer. So don't you worry. And I miss my hair, honestly. I'm editing this video a few weeks later. I do miss my hair. I do miss my length. I can't really wear a puff like I used to, but I mean, this cut was cute and I'm going to enjoy it while I can until my hair grows back out. And honestly, the shape is bomb. So I just keep cutting, trying to keep it a bit tapered where the back is a bit shorter, and as I go up it gets a bit longer. It was kind of hard to do that specifically because I also didn't want to cut too much off, that I was completely bald headed. But for the most part, I try to keep it a bit tapered, or as much as I could at least. And my hair in this video is a old wash and go using the Shea Moisture Souffle and Extreme Wetline Gel. My hair is super sticky, so that's why I keep like wiping my hands off and trying to get the hair off because it's actually sticking to my hands. But I think this was a really good base, so I can see my curls and I can see where they fell. So I suggest cutting your hair, especially if you want to cut curl by curl, defining your hair with a heavy gel like Extreme Wetline Gel. So that's all I'm doing. I just feel like I need to say something, so I'm talking, but I'm just not gonna talk at this point. But yeah, so in the bang area is probably where I had most of my damage, so most of the cutting happened in that section. And yeah, let me know what styles y'all want me to try. Let me know what type of videos y'all want now that my hair is shorter, what type of content you're looking forward to. I'd love to get that type of feedback because I don't know, like my hair hasn't been this short in like 2 or 3 years or so. So I mean, it's not as short as it was when I first big chopped, but it's pretty damn short. My hair has not been this short in a while, and when the shrinkage kicks in, because my hair is not super shrunken in this video, but when the actual shrinkage kicks in, woo! I'm like a little boy, but that's cool. It is what it is. So yeah, that's my shape. I will come in and do a styling video after a few weeks when I get the hang of it, and I'll keep y'all updated. But this is my shape. I'm just touching it up at this point. And again, after this video, I did go in and touch it up some more to get it as even as possible and to get rid of the color. I'm sure I'll still be doing some trims here and there because there is some color still sprinkled throughout. But yeah, this is my hair, y'all. This is what it's looking like. Let me know what you think of the cut. And look at me looking all fabulous in my short do. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.